Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Scurvy. In scurvy, there is defect in bone matrix formation. Vitamin C cannot be synthesized in the body due to the deficiency of the enzyme glucanolactone oxidase. Functions of vitamin C. Collagen synthesis is essential in the skin, mucous membranes, blood vessels, and bone. For the bone formation, osteoid should undergo mineralization. Deficiency of vitamin C results in defect in osteoid formation, whereas rickets or deficiency of vitamin D causes defect in mineralization. There is neurotransmitter metabolism is also a function of vitamin C. Like vitamin C is important in the metabolism of dopamine, epinephrine, norepinephrine. It is also important in iron and folic acid metabolism. It is important as antioxidants, and also it is vitamin C is involved in platelet aggregation, and it regulates the inflammatory pathways like prostaglandins and glucocorticoids. Defi- So, vitamin C is not produced in our body, is not formed in our body. Why? Because of this absence of this enzyme, glucanolactone oxidase absence. Because of this absence, the vitamin C is not produced in our body. It is not manufactured or formed in our body.
thank you and thank you for watching.